The past, perfect, continuous tense is a unique grammatical structure in English that is used to describe actions that started in the past, continued for a period of time, and were still ongoing at a specific point in the past. This tense is formed by using had been, followed by the present participle form of the verb, ing form. In the context of environmental reflections and examining extended conservation efforts, the past perfect continuous tense can be a powerful tool for describing the continuous and ongoing nature of conservation activities. For example, we can use this tense to talk about conservation efforts that had been going on for a long time before a specific event or milestone occurred. One illustrative example of the past perfect continuous tense in environmental reflections is, by the time the new wildlife reserve was established, the conservationists had been working tirelessly for years to protect the endangered species in the area. This sentence highlights the continuous and dedicated effort of the conservationists leading up to the creation of the wildlife reserve. Another example could be, the volunteers had been planting trees in the deforested area for months before the first signs of regrowth appeared. This sentence shows the ongoing and active participation of the volunteers in the reforestation project. Additionally, the use of the past, perfect continuous tense can also convey a sense of dedication, perseverance, and commitment to environmental conservation. For instance, the organization had been lobbying the government for stricter regulations on pollution for decades before any significant changes were made. This sentence demonstrates the organization's long-standing efforts to advocate for environmental protection. Overall, the past, perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool for ESL students to practice when discussing environmental reflections and extended conservation efforts. By using this tense, students can effectively convey the continuous and ongoing nature of environmental actions and highlight the dedication of individuals and organizations working towards a sustainable future.